Happy Easter weekend and Good Friday coming to everyone. Today's date is 12 or 3/27 of 2013 and the time is 12:48 p.m. and markets are going to close in 12 minutes and we'll be open tomorrow, and then we have Good Friday. Markets are going to be closed and whatnot, and we're going to identify today about Netflix and what Netflix did today. Netflix went straight up and made another 52-week high right here. So, one of the things that we would like to emphasize is that the market maker, this is the low from that high down to that low now. So, when Netflix opened today, we had a low here today of 189.2. We went parabolically up. The 3-minute application, the diamonds tracking the high frequency bot, straight up to resistance, right there at our price target of around close to 197, which it was slightly above. The intraday high reversal is going to be right up here. That high was 197.06. Now, one thing about Netflix is that the 195 puts paid. They had them at 690 on the high, but they got down to $2. So let's go through this together. When the market maker identifies an option trade at a certain strike price, based at a certain resistance level in Netflix, and we can clearly see exactly where that reversal was. So we had quite a great movement upward, but when you got at the top, you have to cash in. But look at the move downward. The intraday range is $8.73. We're $6.79 off of the intraday high. That's where when you sell short and it goes down in value, you make money. And now it made a bottom intraday and we've come back up. So this name had a great move in the morning, long, but then just a bigger move going short using various different contracts in Netflix. 195 put, buying them down here at $2. They're printing right now at 510 by 15. It's a weekly 328 195 put. So when we were here at 196 and we started to reverse, that was at wholesale price. And the markdown was huge, $4.91. The high was $4.90, but the low is $1.99. They closed at $5.40, and they're right back at the closing level of the day. Buying. So when we hit the resistance, we put in the low here. The market maker will give you the signal to buy it right then. And when you get down here at the bottom, then you cash out and you get out of there. That's a way of trading Netflix using the put options to short it. Then we have people shorting the name outright. Is that when we hit 197, you got an $8.70 reversal. So Netflix, when you add up the total movement and dollar price movement, Netflix is a great trader. Why is it? Because you get the great movement up, then it falls, and you get that movement too. So you get long and you get short. The platform doesn't lie. Each one of these lines are 57 cents. That's 1/16. He went up 0.71, almost three-quarter deltas, which equaled 11.42 teenies in our system, a 16th, times 57 cents, which equaled $6.45 movement. That was to that upside. That's how Netflix traded. Then Netflix gave back all its intraday gains, and it was a great short. Shorting 300 shares, 500 shares. We will make sure. One thing that we're very good about is if you go to stockmarketfunding.com, you click on where it says trading, hit open an account page, you can take a free 5-day trial. And this is a video that you need to watch. And we will give you the capital to get the live order entries from the market maker. Not what you want to do. You'll do what they tell you at the prices, and they know what they're doing. So you have the capital, then you have the market maker working for you. You have all of the management needed when it's time to make that transaction based on their experience and you placing the order. You won't have any more pattern day trading rule. You'll have a direct access trading application to the floor, not like the online discount like TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, all of them. They're all retail trading platforms. They're not direct to the market, so you're going to have that. What I would like to do is also point out to you the most important thing that you have going for you. Don't worry about your competence level and what you've done in the past. Just be advised that this dollars are going to be put into your trading account based on your deposit. You have a 10,000, you're going to have 150,000. Then what's going to happen is the market makers are going to tell you when to buy a put option or go long 200 shares or 1,000 shares, whatever the case is. Then cash out at the top and get short and get this part of the movement. It's a great movement when you add up the long side and the short side. This is a great movement intraday on Netflix. Once again, Netflix made that high, 52-week high, and sold right off to that low of 188.33 and made a lower low. It made a lower low. So let us work for you. Put aside whatever your past experiences with markets were. Listen, we're putting up the trading capital and you got all the management in the order entry exit. That means your entry, your exit, and your stop market orders will be dispatched to you in the live trading room. Take advantage of it today.